In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change your screen lock password on a Samsung device. Having a strong and unique password is crucial for protecting your personal information and ensuring the security of your device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Lock Screen. And then tap Screen Lock Type. What you want to do next is enter your current password that you used to unlock your phone. Tap Continue. After that, tap where it says Password. All you have to do now is enter the new password. Your password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Keep in mind that if you forget this new password, you'll need to reset your phone, and all data will be erased. Tap Continue. And then re-enter that password and tap OK to change your password on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.